Welcome to Chapter. In this lesson, we'll explore one of the most frequent grammar problems learners face using the wrong verb. Let's begin. Verbs are the powerhouse of any sentence. But when the wrong verb is used, it can lead to confusion or even change the message entirely. Many of these mistakes happen when learners translate directly from their native language or mix up verbs that seem similar. Let's take a closer look at some common examples. A very common error involves using do instead of make. For example, we don't do a mistake, we make a mistake. Mistakes, plans, and decisions are things we create, so we use make. Reserve do for general tasks or activities, like do your homework or do the dishes. Learners often confuse say and tell. If you're referring to a person, use tell, as in, he told me the truth. When quoting or describing what was said, use say, like she said that she was tired. So remember, we say something, but tell someone. Another mix-up happens with go and come. Use go when moving away, like go to school. Use come when the movement is toward the speaker's location. So if you're not in Paris, you should say he is going to Paris, not coming to Paris. Lend and borrow are often confused. If you give something, you lend it, can you lend me your book? If you receive it, you borrow, I borrowed a pen from my friend. A quick tip, we borrow from and lend to. Let's review. We make a decision, not do one. We tell someone and say something. We go to a place and come toward a person. And we lend something to others, but borrow from them. These small changes can make your English sound much more natural. Thank you for watching. Next topic, confusion of participles. Like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Thank you. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.